morning students. My name is N. Srinivasul Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Kalakurti. Today is discuss about differential equation, subtopics, equation solvable for y and equation solvable for x, and last one topic is Clairaut's equation. Okay, explain the method of differential equation solvable for y. Okay, this method is explanation, very easy and important. This goes to short question. Solution: a differential equation of first order but not of the first degree is expressed as f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. Put equation 1, where p equal to dy by dx. If the equation 1 is solvable for y, then y equal to f of x comma p. Put equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. We get t equal to, we know, dy by dx. Y mean differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, we write p equal to f of x comma phi. Differentiate is phi of x comma p comma dp by dx. Put equation 3. The equation 3 is reduced to two variables x and p. Therefore, the solution will be in the form of f of x comma p comma c equal to 0. Put equation 4. The elimination of p between equation 2 and equation 4 gives the relation between x, y and c, which is the required solution. Okay, this method is over. Solvable for, explain the method of differential equation solvable for y is over. Next to B. Explain the method of differential equation solvable for x. Solution: a differential equation of first order but not of the first degree is expressed as f of x comma y comma p equal to 0, where p equal to dy by dx. If the equation 1 is solvable for x, then x equal to f of y comma p. Put equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to y. Dx by dy equal to phi of y comma p comma dp by dy. Dx by dy equal to phi of y comma p comma dp by dy. Therefore, we know dy by dx is equal to p na. Dx by dy equal to 1 by p equal to phi of y comma p comma dp by dy. By integrating equation 3 is a relation between x and y and obtained as f of y comma p comma c equal to 0. The elimination of p from equation, between equation 2 and 4 gives the relation between x, y and c, which is the required solution. Okay. Next I will do problem. We discuss about problem solvable for y. Solve y equal to sin p minus p cos p. Solve y equal to sin p minus p cos p. Given equation is y equal to sin p minus p P cos P. Equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Solvable for y problems. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Y mean dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin p minus p cos p. P cos p. Dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin p mean cos p. Again p differentiate dp by dx minus p cos p uv method. uv method. You write p and cos p differentiate is minus sin p. Again p differentiate with respect to x dp by dx plus cos p same you write and p differentiate is with respect to x dp by dx. Okay. Next continue step, dy by dx equal to cos p dp by dx plus minus into minus p sin p dp by dx minus cos p dp by dx. Okay. Here therefore dy by dx is equal to p na. Okay. Here cos p dp by dx minus cos p dp by dx cancel. Okay. And p equal to p into sin p dp by dx. Okay. P by p equal to sin p dp by dx. Okay. 1 equal to sin p into dp by dx. Variable separable method. Variable separable method. Dx equal to sin p into dp. Dx is equal to sin p into dp. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of dx equal to integrating of sin p dp. Therefore, integrating of dx mean x equal to integrating of sin p minus cos p plus c. Therefore, cos p equal to c minus x. Cos p equal to c minus x. Therefore, sin p equal to under root of 1 minus cos square p is there our formula. Okay. Substituting equation 2 and 3 equation 1 we get y equal to under root of 1 minus cos square p minus p cos p. Okay. Y equal to under root of okay students, sin p equal to under root of 1 minus cos square p. Substituting equation 2 and 3 equation 1 we get y equal to under root of 1 minus cos square p minus p into cos p. Y equal to under root of 1 minus c minus x whole square. Here cos x is equal to c minus x. Okay, whole square minus cos inverse of c minus x into c minus x, since p equal to cos inverse of c minus x. Okay, therefore c minus x into cos inverse of c minus x equal to under root of 1 minus c minus x square minus y. Is implies cos inverse of c minus x equal to under root of 1 minus c minus x whole square minus y by c minus x. Therefore, c minus x equal to cos of under root of 1 minus c minus x square minus y by c minus x. The solution of the given differential equation is c minus x equal to cos of under root of 1 minus c minus x square minus y by c minus x. Okay, this problem is over. Another problem. Solve y plus px equal to x power 4 p square. Okay. Or this problem is or y equal to y plus px equal to x power 4 p square. Here p equal to dy by dx. Okay. Solution. The given equation is y plus px equal to p square x power 4. Is implies y equal to px minus px plus p square x power 4. Okay, put equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Your problem is solvable for y problem. We do differentiate with equation with respect to x. Y mean dy by dx equal to minus of px uv method, p and x uv method. P same as you write, x goes to 1 plus x is same you write, and p differentiate with respect to dp by dx plus same here p square x power 4 is uv method. P square same you write, and x power 4 differentiate 4x cube plus x power 4 same you write, and p square differentiate 2p, again p differentiate dp by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to p, okay, equal to minus p minus x dp by dx plus 4p square x cube plus 2p x power 4 dp by dx. Okay, p plus p plus x dp by dx minus 4p square x cube minus 2p x power 4 dp by dx equal to 0. Okay, 2p minus p plus p 2p minus 4p square x cube plus x dp by dx common 1 minus 2p x cube equal to 0. Okay, 2p into 1 minus 2p x cube plus x into dp by dx into 1 minus 2p x cube equal to 0. Okay, here 1 minus 2p x cube same as there, 1 minus 2px into 2p plus x dp by dx equal to 0. Okay, we know ab equal to 0, here a equal to 0. Okay, students, ab equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Okay, 2p plus x dp by dx is equal to 0. X dp by dx is equal to minus 2p. Okay, 1 by p into dp equal to minus 2 by x dx, variable separable we do. Integrating on both sides. Integrating of 1 by p dp equal to integrating of minus 2 by x dx. Okay, integrating of 1 by p dp equal to log p equal to minus 2 log x plus log c. Log p plus 2 log x equal to log c. Log p plus log x square equal to log c. We know log a plus log b, log ab same as log p into log p x square equal to log c. Logarithm cancel both side, p x square equal to c. Therefore, p equal to c by x square. P equal to c by x square. Substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we get y plus c by x square into x equal to c by x square whole square into x power 4. Okay, y plus c by x, x cancel, c by x equal to c square by x power 4 into x power 4, x power 4, x power 4 cancel. Okay, y plus c by x equal to c square. Y plus c by x is equal to c square. LCM of x. Okay, xy plus c equal to multiply of c square x, c x square, x c square. Therefore, the solution of y plus px equal to p square x power 4 is xy plus c equal to x c square, x c square, the required solution. Okay, okay, students, next to solvable for Claros equation. The equation is the Claros form. The equation of the Claros form is, okay, the Claros equation is the form y equal to px plus f of p, px plus f of p. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to 1 x, we get y mean dy by dx equal to px, uv method. P same you write, x differentiate, x goes to 1 plus x same you write, and p goes to dp by dx plus f of p differentiate f dash of p into again p differentiate dp by dx. Okay, in this topic dy by dx equal to p equal to p plus x into dp by dx common, x plus f dash of p into dp by dx. Okay, p equal to p plus x plus f dash of p into dp by dx. Okay, dp by dx into x plus f dash of p equal to p minus p. P minus p mean 0. Okay, x plus f dash of p into dp by dx equal to 0. We know ab equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here a equal to mean dp by dx equal to 0 and x plus f dash of p equal to 0. The singular solution is obtained by eliminating p from equation 1 and 3. Okay, from equation 2 we get p equal to what? C. Okay, substituting equation 4 in equation 1, y equal to cx plus f of c. Our Claros equation is what? Y equal to px plus f of p. Here we get p equal to c. Substituting in equation 1, y equal to cx plus f of c. Therefore, the general solution of for y equal to px plus f of p is y equal to cx plus f of c. This goes to Claros form is very important and easy short bit. Short question is okay, very carefully. Our answer is y equal to cx plus f of c. Okay, next to Claros reduce of y minus px into p minus 1 equal to p to Claros form and find the solution. Okay, the given equation is y minus px into p minus 1 equal to p. Y minus px equal to p by p minus 1. P by p minus 1. Y equal to, here minus px goes to that side, px plus p by p minus 1. P by p minus 1. Equation 2 is Claros form. Equation 2 is Claros form. Claros form is what? Y equal to px plus f of p. Y equal to px plus f of p. Here same as f of p mean p by p minus 1. P by p minus 1. Okay. Here equation put equation 1. Here put equation 1. Equation 2 is the Claros form. Given equation is 1 and here we get y equal to px plus p by p minus 1 is equation 2. Okay. Equation 2 is the Claros form. Claros form is what? Y equal to px plus f of p. Okay. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, we get y mean dy by dx equal to here px mean uv method. P same you write, x differentiate goes to 1 plus x same you write, p mean dp by dx. Okay, plus here p by p minus 1, u by v method. You know u by v method is what? uv dash v u dash minus u dash v by v square formula. D by dx of u by v equal to v u dash minus u dash v by v square. Same as here u mean p, v mean p minus 1. Okay, p minus 1 into p differentiate 1 minus p same you write and p minus 1 differentiate 1 by p minus 1 whole square. Again p differentiate dp by dx. Okay, you know dy by dx is what, right? P equal to p plus x dp by dx plus here p minus 1 minus p by p minus 1 whole square into dp by dx. P minus p we want p minus p equal to x dp by dx minus 1 by 1 minus p square into dp by dx. Okay, x into here p minus p equal to what? 0. Okay, RHS you write first x into dp by dx minus 1 by p minus 1 square into dp by dx equal to 0. I will take common dp by dx. Okay, dp by dx equal to x minus 1 by p minus 1 square equal to 0. Okay, same as ab equal to 0. A equal to 0 or b equal to a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here dp by dx equal to 0 or x minus 1 by p minus 1 equal to 0. Here x minus 1 by p minus square equal to 0 is eliminating. Okay, no use. Okay, here dp by dx is equal to what? 0. dp by dx equal to what? 0. dp equal to cross multiply 0 into dx 0. Integrating on both sides, integrating of dp equal to integrating of 0. Integrating of dp equal to integrating of 0. Therefore, p equal to c. Substituting p equal to c in equation 1. In equation 1. Okay, y minus px into p minus 1 into equal to p. Here is substituting p equal to c. Therefore, y minus cx into c minus 1 equal to c. Therefore, the solution of y minus px into p minus 1 equal to p is y minus cx into c minus 1 equal to c. Okay, this problem. Okay, students, next we solve another problem for Claros equation. Solve sin px cos y equal to cos px sin y plus p, where p equal to dy by dx. Where p equal to dy by dx. Okay, this problem is very important and easy, short question. Okay, the given differential equation is sin px cos y equal to cos px sin y plus p. Put equation 1. Okay, here rearrange the equation. Sin px cos y minus cos px sin y equal to p. You know one formula is there. What formula? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Same as is. How to write this? Goes to sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b. A mean px, a mean px, b mean y. Okay, therefore here is what there? Sin px cos y minus cos px sin y equal to p is there. Okay, I will write LHS sin px cos y minus cos px sin y goes to here formula sin of a minus b. A mean px minus b mean y. Sin of px minus y equal to p. Okay, since sin A cos B minus cos A sin B equal to sin of A minus B. Okay, next continuous step is here Claros is form what? Y equal to Px plus f of P. Okay, here sin goes to that side, sin inverse of P. Okay, Px minus y equal to sin inverse of P. Therefore, y equal to, here Px goes to that side, Px minus sin inverse of P. Put equation 2. Equation 2 is Claros form. Equation 2 is Claros form. What Claros form is what? Y equal to Px plus f of P. Y equal to Px plus f of P. Here f of P is what? Minus sin inverse P. Minus sin inverse P. Okay. Next, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. With respect to x. Here 2 is what? Y equal to Px minus sin inverse P. Okay. Y mean differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to Px, uv method. You take uv method, P same you write, and x differentiate with respect to x1 minus same sin inverse P differentiate with respect to x same 1 by under root of 1 minus P square, again P differentiate dP by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to P minus 1 by under root of 1 minus P square into dP by dx. Okay, P minus P equal to, continuous step, P minus P equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus P square into dP by dx. Okay, P minus P is what? 0 equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus P square into dP by dx. Okay, here we know this goes to auto write dP by dx into minus 1 by under root of 1 minus P square equal to 0. We know AB equal to 0. AB is equal to 0. A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Here dP by d is equal to 0 or minus 1 by under root of 1 minus P square equal to 0. Here minus 1 by root of 1 minus P square equal to 0 is eliminating, this no use. Therefore, dP by dx is equal to 0 I will take. Okay, cross multiply, dP equal to 0. dP equal to 0 into dx. 0 into dx is nothing but 0. Therefore, dP equal to 0. Here differentiate is there. I will take integrating on both sides. Integrating of dP equal to integrating of 0. Therefore, P equal to integrating of 0 mean C. 0 mean C. Okay, put equation 3. Therefore, substituting P equal to C in equation 2. Equation 2. Therefore, y equal to Cx minus sin inverse C. Y equal to Cx minus sin inverse C. Therefore, the general solution of equation 2, the general solution of equation 2 is y equal to Cx minus sin inverse C. Y equal to Cx minus sin inverse C. This is the required differential equation of given differential equation. This problem is over. Okay. Next we discuss about another problem. Okay. This Claros form is very important and easy. Y equal to Px plus f of P. The solution is y equal to Cx plus f of C. Okay. Solve another problem. Y equal to 2px plus y square p cube. 2px plus y square p cube. The given equation solution. The given equation is y equal to 2px plus y square p cube. Put equation 1. Put equation 1. Okay. Put equation 1. Y square equal to 2px plus y square p cube. Multiplying y on both sides. Multiplying y on both sides, LHS and also RHS. Okay, y into y equal to y square equal to 2pxy plus y cube p cube. Y cube p cube. Okay, y square is equal to, let y square equal to v. Okay, y square equal to v. Put equation 2. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. We get y square mean 2y. Again y differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to v mean dv by dx. dv by dx. Since p equal to dy by dx na, okay, therefore 2py equal to 2py equal to capital P. dy by dx is equal to small p. dv by dx is equal to, here capital P I will take. Okay, small p equal to capital P by 2y. Small p equal to capital P by 2y. Put equation 4th. Put equation 4th. Okay, substituting the corresponding value in equation 1. Substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, we get small v equal to x into capital P plus y cube into capital P by 2y whole cube. 2y whole cube. Okay, small v equal to x into capital P plus y cube into p cube by capital P cube by 8y cube. 8y cube. Okay, y cube get cancelled. Okay, therefore v equal to x into capital P plus p cube by 8. p cube by 8. This equation goes to continue equation. Okay, 5th. Okay, above equation is the Claros form. Above equation is the Claros form. I will take p equal to c. I will take Claros form is what? Y equal to f of p. Y equal to x px plus f of p. Or you write y equal to f of p plus px. Okay, okay. Here same is there. Equation 2 is the Claros. Equation 5th is Claros form. I will take p capital P equal to small c. Okay, substituting p equal to c in equation 5th, we get small v equal to cx plus c cube by 8. Cx plus c cube by 8. Okay, y cube equal to cx plus, okay, here v equal to y square na. Okay, y square equal to cx plus c cube by 8, since v equal to y square. Therefore the general solution is y square equal to cx plus c cube by 8. Similarly all problems we solve and Claros equation. Okay, first same as solvable for y and solvable for x. In the topic before we discuss about solvable for p and solvable for y, solvable for x, and last topic is Claros equation. Okay, same all problems we do similarly. Okay, very important and easy. We do carefully. Okay, this problems is today's class is over.